Hey viewers, what's up? This is Mama Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Take. In this video, I'm going to talking with about how you can make your image, that may be any type of image, you can make it in a live mode. That means your image will be now alive like a video or a GIF file. So what's the trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. Before just starting that video, there are a bit request from me. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to open up your Google Play Store, and here from I just open up it there, and from here you need to search here something like Pixalo, and here guys, this is the app. You need to install this app in your mobile phone, and after that you need to just open up it there in your mobile phone, and here guys it will be looks like that from here for the first time. And here guys you can see that it is in the paid mode and also in the free mode. So from here you can also use the free mode from here. So I just use the free mode from here, so we are there. So from here just click on this new creation, and from here I'll select an image, and from here we will make the water movable, that means animatable. So from here just click on this animate and click on this path, and here this water, make this water like this and make a path again, and you can do it as you wish that you want. Now if you just make it that time, you can see that the legs also moving, but I want to move only the water. So from here I just off it, and from here just click on this freeze, and from here now I just colorize the legs from here, and now it will be only freeze and the other thing will be animatable. And here you can guys see that the legs are animatable, and here by that way you can also do it by your wish. Now we will see another thing. So go to the back, and here from now you can just click on this export, and from here you can export it in the video mode, but here in the GIF mode it's in the pro mode, that means you need to pay. But here from you can also directly upload it from the Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter as you wish. And here from you can also increase or decrease the duration whatever you want. And here there are 3 qualities, so from here I refer you to use this 720p quality, and by that way you will get something more awesome. So here guys, according to me it will be really awesome app for you. Now you can also animate your image and animate the object as you wish. So guys, what's about that trick? Do you like that trick guys? If it's so, that time I request you, please give the like that video, comment below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.